Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our English class. We are going to see Unit 3 Supplementary. Already we have seen the supplementary half of it. Now we are going to see remaining half, that is part 2. I hope you read that supplementary whatever we have taken. Now let us see the remaining part. Later on, they produced me in front of the king. Mirjan, who was the ruler of the island. I narrated my tale of suffering and hardship to the king. The king was a noble and kind person. He sympathized with me and appointed me as an officer on the spot. Soon I became friendly with the people on the island. There were a number of other small islands nearby. These islands were under King Mirjan too. During my stay, I witnessed a number of remarkable sights. The seawater around the islands contained huge and terrible fishes. A few were 100 times bigger than the largest ship. Once I saw a fish that had a head like bull. I witnessed many unimaginable wonders. So dear children, in this last class we have seen as he was walking as a strange man, he met a man in that island and he gave him herbs and he satisfied his thirst by drinking the water from the spring. And in that place they were asking him, "Who are you? Where are you from? Where do you come from?" So all these questions they were raising because a strange person he met in that island. And he narrated his story very painfully. There he met the slaves of the king of the island. Those men were very kind. They served him good food and drink and treated him very well. Later on, they produced him in front of the king Mirjan, who was the ruler of that island. Those slaves gave for him food, drink and treated him very well, and then they produced him in front of the king. After they produced him in front of the king started to ask, "What happened? How did you come here?" So he has to narrate the story of what had happened to him. So the king also was very kind. He narrated his story of suffering and hardship to the king. The king was noble and kind person. He sympathized with him and appointed him as an officer on the spot. He had pity on him. He had such a feelings for him and they appointed him as an officer of that on that spot. See children, not only they gave food or drink, even though he was a strange man, they treated him very well. If someone comes to your house, do you treat them well? Do you offer them something to eat and drink? You need to be friendly with them and you have to treat them well. Even the stranger, you have to look after them. But you should know who is good person and the bad person. Then only you can do it. But the slaves were very good to them, good to him, and gave him food and drink, and they treated him well. And the king also had pity on him. Soon I became friendly with the people on the island. He was very friendly with them. There were a number of other small islands nearby. In that island, near to that island also, there were number of small islands. These islands were also under Mirjan the king. The king was very noble and kind to the persons, those were there that you all know. And these island also under king. During my stay, he witnessed number of remarkable sights, different things he was noticing it. The sea water around the island contained huge and terrible fishes that we have not seen it. That much of big fishes were there in that island. A few were 100 times bigger than the largest ship. You know the ship is very big, 100 times bigger than that ship. Once I saw a fish that had a head like a bull. See, when he saw a fish, that fish head was looking like a bull. Do you know what is a bull? I witnessed many unimaginable wonders. He has seen unimaginable wonders. Even now when you look at these pictures, you will be imagining, oh my God, all these kinds of fishes are there in the sea. We have not seen, isn't it, children? So he also was surprised. He also has seen unimaginable wonders in that island. Because the creatures, the fishes are different. So now let us see the remaining paragraphs, children. Ships from different parts of the world visited this small island's kingdom's part regularly. Every day I would ask the visiting sailors about my city, Baghdad, but no one knew about my city. I longed to go back home. One day, when I saw standing on the port, I saw a ship approaching the port. It was the same ship which had sailed further after leaving me behind, struggling in the sea. So, here in this paragraph, what it's trying to tell us? He has seen the same ship which he travelled, which he left with that lieutenant. When the captain of the ship saw me, he was greatly surprised to find me alive. He and the other crew members hugged me with happiness. The captain handed over my goods to me, which had been left on the ship. So nice captain. See children, he did not take for himself. He handed everything to him because all that was his property. So in that island, ships from different parts of the world visits this small island's kingdom spot regularly. It comes regularly to that island. So Sinbad was looking. Is that my ship is coming here? And he asked, but no one knew about my city. They did not know about the Baghdad. So he was longing to go home back. When I was standing on the port, I saw a ship approaching the port. It was the same ship which I sailed further after leaving me behind. So when the captain saw him, he greatly surprised to find me alive. With the full of happiness, the captain hugged him, and the captain handed over his goods to him, whatever it was left on the ship. Among my goods, I chose a few valuable items and presented those to the kind king. In return, the king also gave me expensive presents. The ship stayed on the island for a few days. Meanwhile, I did good business and earned a lot of money. When it was time to leave, I went to meet the king. I thanked the king for his kindness and all the favors he had done to me. The king again gave me many valuable farewell gifts. Finally, I returned to my city, Baghdad, as a rich man. Dear children, as the captain handed over everything to him, all that his goods he handed over to him, so he chose from their valuable items and presented those items to the king, to the kind king. In return, the king also gave him expensive gifts. See, return gift. Some of the places this culture is there. When you give a gift to a person, they give as a return another gift. So he gave valuable gifts to king because the king was very kind. And the kind king also returned expensive presents to him. And the ship stayed for few days. Meanwhile, he did business and earned a lot of money. So, kind king also gave him expensive gift, and with all his goods he went for selling. So, it was time to leave from that place. So, he went to meet the king and he thanked him for his kindness and all the favors he had done to him. The king not only gave those time, but again he gave him many valuable farewell gifts. Finally, he returned back to his village, city, Baghdad. Sindbad completed the tale of his first voyage. The poor porter Sindbad was listening to the amazing tale of Sindbad with all wonder. Sindbad the sailor then bade goodbye to the poor porter and asked him to come the next day to hear the tale of his new voyage. But before leaving, he presented Sindbad a purse full of gold coins. The unexpected riches overjoyed Sindbad the porter. He thanked his rich host and went home. So now it is time to leave that place. So he thanked the king, and his kind king also gave him valuable items. So said goodbye to that place and the king. And the next day they started their journey and reached to that place with the valuable items. And he gave him the purse full of gold coins. The unexpected riches overjoyed, very happy, and they went on. So they thanked his rich host and went home. So let us see the meanings. Phenomena, events. Trembling, shaking. Terrified, frightened, tossed, thrown out. Quenched, satisfied by drinking, poured out, expressed freely. Hardship, severe suffering, weakness, observed. So dear children, read this supplementary 5 times, then only you will understand and